guys, it's almost Christmas time and I've been like trying to think about what should I get for my friends, and I'm thinking this year I will go with postcards. I saw this website where you can customize postcard, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna show you in a second. The name of this website is op3n.world. It is like a website that allows me to create customized gifts using AI. So in this little box, I'm going to put a girl with dark hair and a Shiba Inu in standard outfit standing in the snow. I'm gonna pick a style I wanna go with. Crafty clay, anime, origami. Okay, here we go, origami. Okay, now out of these 4 images, I think I'm gonna go with the first one. Now it directly takes me to the merch page. Wow, so many merch to choose from. There we go, postcards. Select adding my cart and check out.
You can try it by clicking the link in my bio.
If you also haven't decided what to get for your friends and family this Christmas, maybe check out the AI gift shop.